Man, check this out. This thing is gonna be nice when it's done. Woo. I smell something and I don't smell gas. It smells like joints. Is that you? Huh? This is a professional environment.
That's me.
Who? That's who is it?
Yeah, ever see the Matrix shit that comes?
The Matrix shit.
Right there, dude.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. There's a grow house right there, huh? Insane.
The whole fucking entire weed, and now they just built.
They're just building weeds everywhere.
Weed.
There's weeds all over the place.
Oh yeah, baby.
And I make nothing. Zero. Zilch. By the time I pay all my scientists, all my people in my research department, lab coats, it's a wash. Well, why you do it then, baby Billy? Well, because I'm selfless.
Instead of power being generated by the relative motion of conductors and fluxes, it's produced by the modial interaction of magnetoreluctance and capacitive diractance. The original machine had a base plate of prefamulated amulite surmounted by a malleable logarithmic casing in such a way that the two spurving bearings were in a direct line with a panometric fam. The lineup consisted simply of 6 hydrocoptic Marsal vanes, so fitted to the ambifacient lunar wane shaft that side fumbling was effectively prevented.
Whoa! Peace, homie! Yeah! Get it! Get it! Get it! Hot damn! Hot damn!
I like your car, pal. Hey, thanks, champ. You know what they say? You want to be the best, you got to drive the best.
Hey, not to get personal, but what's a sweet ride like that cost anyways?
You know what? Actually, it's surprisingly affordable.
Yeah?
I think if you saved every paycheck you earned for the rest of your life and then multiply it by 10, you could probably buy my muffler.
Awooga! Oh, you want a drag race, do you? You win! Good job! fans out there and owners. So like, I think it would be sick to do a 5th gen. And like the 5th gens are so beautiful. Like they're so nice.
I was gonna pick a Ram as well.
Yeah.
But I was going to pick the 4th gen.
Ooh, the 4th gen.
Blacked out, because that's how I like everything.
Yeah, just black out everything. Yeah, I think I'd go 5th gen. I don't know if I would go. I'd probably do like something similar to the K350, just like a crazy.
Go! I ain't got time to be distracted by your worthless chime-ins. Go on. Go outside, nerd. Get out. Go.